Meditation, an ancient practice rooted in various cultures worldwide, has surged in popularity as individuals seek methods to mitigate the stresses of modern life. By focusing on the present and cultivating mindfulness, meditation serves as an essential tool for achieving mental clarity and emotional stability. This time-honored tradition not only addresses the need for peace in a chaotic environment, but also offers substantial health benefits, including improved mental well-being, stress reduction, and enhanced overall emotional health. The universal appeal of meditation lies in its simplicity and the profound impact it can have on one's quality of life, attracting diverse individuals globally. Meet Stefan, a distinguished wellness expert whose decade-long journey in guided meditation has transformed many lives. His expertise isn't just rooted in his years of practice, but in a philosophy that blends traditional techniques with innovative approaches tailored to modern needs. Stefan's unique method focuses on personalization, recognizing that each individual's path to mindfulness and wellness differs. This personalized approach not only demystifies meditation for beginners but also deepens the practice for seasoned meditators, making Stefan a guiding light for anyone looking to enhance their mental and emotional well-being through meditation. Meditation offers a range of transformative benefits, a sanctuary for the mind amidst the stresses of daily life. It significantly reduces stress, providing a profound sense of calm that permeates all aspects of life. By fostering improved emotional health, meditation enables individuals to manage anxiety and depression more effectively. It also sharpens self-awareness, allowing practitioners to understand their thoughts and feelings with greater clarity. Furthermore, meditation enhances attention span, which is particularly valuable in our era of constant distractions. Collectively, these benefits not only improve immediate mental state but also contribute to long-term emotional resilience and cognitive function. Choosing Stefan as your guide into the world of meditation comes with unique advantages. His tailored programs are meticulously designed to align with individual needs, ensuring that every participant receives the most beneficial and personalized experience possible. Stefan's community, a haven of support and encouragement, enables newcomers to feel welcomed and sustained throughout their meditation journey. Moreover, his specialized techniques for beginners ensure that even those new to meditation can find ease and clarity in their practices. This comprehensive, beginner-friendly approach not only eases the initial learning curve but also sets a solid foundation for continued personal growth. Embarking on your meditation journey with Stefan is a seamless process. Initially, access his comprehensive meditation resources by visiting his official website or engaging through his social media platforms. These platforms provide all necessary information and materials to get you started. In your first meditation session with Stefan, expect a welcoming environment where you will be guided through basics, ensuring comfort and clarity in the practice. This session aims to introduce you to the fundamentals of meditation while addressing any initial apprehensions, setting a clear path for your personal and spiritual growth under Stefan's expert guidance.